Hello, welcome to the Data Structure and Algorithms online tutorial video. In the last video, we learned about stacks, and in this video, we are going to learn about pointers. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed yet. And do not forget to hit on bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. For programming examples and important interview question and answers of the data structure, install DSA application from Google Play Store or from the link given in the description below. Now let us see what is pointer. A pointer is a variable whose value is the address of the another variable. Like any other variable or constant, you must declare a pointer before using it to store any variable address. The process of obtaining the value stored at a location being referenced by a pointer is known as dereferencing. It is same as the index for a textbook where each page is referred by its page number present in the index. One can easily find the page using the location referred to their page number. Such pointers usage helps in the dynamic implementation of various data structure such as stack or list. Pointers are used to point the address of the value stored in the computer memory. Pointers improve the performance of the repetitive process like traversing string, lookup tables, control tables, and tree structures. As we already know that pointer is like a variable, here you can see that A is a variable name and 5 is the value of A and 500 is the address of A. Here B is pointing to A. It means B is holding the address of A. Now let us see why do we need pointers in data structure. Optimization of our code and improving the time complexity of algorithm. Using pointers helps to reduce the time needed by an algorithm to copy data from one place to another. Since it uses the memory locations directly, any change made to the value will be reflected at all the locations. For example, call by value needs the value of arguments to be copied every time any operation needs to be performed. Call by reference makes this task easier using its memory location to update the value at the memory location. Another use of pointers is to control the program flow. This is implemented by control tables that use these pointers. These pointers are stored in a table to point each subroutine's entry to point to be executed one after the other. These pointers reference the address of the various procedures. This helps while working with the recursive procedures or traversal of algorithm. The next need of pointers arises in various secondary data structures such as linked lists or structures to point to the next memory location in the list. Many programming languages use dynamic memory allocations to allocate the memory for runtime variables. For such type of memory allocations, heap is used rather than the stack, which uses pointers. Here pointers holds the address of these dynamically generated data blocks or array of objects. Many structured or object-oriented programming languages use heap for free store to provide them with the storage locations. The last node in the linked list is denoted using a null pointer that indicates there is no element further in the list. Defining a pointer. Pointers are kind of variables that stores the address of a variable. Syntax of pointer. Data type asterisk variable name. Variable name is a pointer to a variable of specified data type. Ampersand is used to denote the unary operator which returns a variable's address. And asterisk is a unary operator that returns the value stored at the address specified by the pointer variable. Here you can see in the example pointer 1 reference to the memory location that holds data of int data type. Single asterisk pointer pointer to var and double asterisk pointer to pointer variable pointer 1. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, let us know in the comment section below.